Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2020 Honda HR-V, stock number 7038. It's run from the 12th 2014 to the 10th 2021. It's an R18ZF 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 1-speed CVT transmission. This is the R18ZF 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,